I'm Charlie Abrinas, Group Managing Director at the Energy Council, and I'm pleased to launch the Energy Council London 2026 agenda. Formerly WECA, Energy Council London returns this December as an international meeting point for the people shaping energy strategy and the capital allocation across the global energy system. This year's agenda has been built around the questions senior executives are asking. Where is capital actually being deployed? Which regions are attracting upstream reinvestment? How are gas and LNG markets being reshaped by supply risk, buyer strategy, and new centers of demand? And how do companies make long-cycle projects bankable in a market designed by geopolitical risk, policy uncertainty, and transition demand? This year, you'll hear perspectives from the likes of BP, CEFI, Azul Energy, JOGMEC, Orlen, Quantum Capital, RBC, and the IEA. The agenda is only part of the story. Energy Council London is about the people in the room, the operators developing projects, the investors funding them, the lenders assessing risk, and the traders moving supply. If you want to understand where energy investment is going next, and the people making those decisions, I invite you to join us in London this December.